Want to crack your next SAP ABAP interview or skyrocket your coding efficiency? Today, we're diving into function modules, function groups, events, and subroutines, the real backbone of reusable ABAP code. Stay till the end. I've got a pro tip that only senior developers know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the for weekly ABAP gems. Let's start with the big boss, function module. Think of it like a pre-built machine. You send in some data, and it gives you the result. Need to calculate tax, fetch user info, or validate input? There's a function module for that. Key features: reusable across programs, handles import, export, tables, and exceptions, can even be remote enabled for RFC calls. Pro tip: custom function modules live in Z namespace. Own them, optimize them. Function group. If function modules are files, function group is the folder. It's where your related modules live together. For example, ZFGCUSTOMER might contain ZFMGETCUSTOMER, ZFMCREATECUSTOMER, ZFMVALIDATECUSTOMER. Helps in organization. Common global data shared across functions, created using SE80 or SE37. Think modular, code smart. Events. In ABAP reports and screens, events are like checkpoints. They trigger blocks of code based on program flow. Common events in reports: initialization, runs first, start OF selection, main logic begins here, end OF selection, after selection logic, top OF page, header section of the output. Real life tip: use at selection screen to validate input before the report even runs. Now comes the classic old schooler, subroutine, written using form, ENDFORM. Use subroutines for logical modularity, short, reusable blocks, old reports, and custom logic. Note: they're limited to the program where they're defined. For cross-program use, stick to function modules. Routines are like subroutines but usually used in forms, smart forms, or output types. You'll find them in places like pricing routines or output determination in SD, often written in VOFM, used for complex business rules. Don't confuse them with subroutines in reports. Wanna look like a pro? Use SE80 right pointing arrow function group to create your modules in a centralized way. Always document the exceptions. It shows you're not just a coder, you're a system thinker. If this helped you even a bit, show some love. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Which one do you use most? New SAP ABAP tips dropping every week. Don't miss them. Want part 2 on BAPIs, enhancements, or OOP in ABAP? Type NEXT in the comments.